Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Thailand, Guyana, South America, Trinidad and Tobago, and many other countries, and now for the first time in Africa, a lecture of this magnitude in Nigeria. He is ranked in the top 62 list of the 500 influential Muslims in the world, published by George Washington University in the year 2011 and 2012. He was also listed number 82 in the 100 most influential people in India, published by Indian Express in 2009, and listed number 81 in 2010 amongst the billion-plus population of India. He was listed number 3 of the top 10 spiritual gurus of India in 2009, and he topped this list in 2010. And over 1